Hi, today we're going to talk about an appointment form. So, if any person is looking for any generic appointment for mainly for the medical practices or any new clients or for any purpose for that matter, you can take help of this particular form and customize as per your requirements to help the candidates book an appointment. So, as you can see, we have got some basic fields with the appointment details, and we're going to use this exact form to capture the response from the particular applicant. Okay, once the response has been captured, you can go to the responses view and you can see the particular appointment getting captured over here. How exactly will it work? So in order to test this out, we need to go to the form builder, click on share form and click on copy form link. This will copy the link of this particular appointment. Make sure all these things are given as access and copy this link and paste it anywhere on your tab. Make sure you expose this link to the particular applicant who is going to book for an appointment. Okay, so I'm going to quickly randomly fill in some of the details over here just to test out if everything works smooth and fine. So as I'm filling out, you can see it is automatically capturing all the details one by one. Okay, I'm going to put an appointment time, then any comments, so no comments. So I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, the response has now been submitted. Okay, so if you go back to the appointment form window and go to the responses side of things, you will be able to see the new submission has been captured over here. So this is fairly straightforward and simple. You can obviously edit and modify all the fields as per your choice. Everything is customizable as per your requirements. So this was a quick demonstration of appointment form. I also want to highlight about a new tool, PDF Output, that helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion page as a template file, which has the PDF document, and it requires a Notion database, which has a source of information in the form of a database that can be useful to generate PDF documents in bulk, replacing the elements in the Notion page. I've added a video of how exactly this works with the help of invoices. So if you watch this video, you will understand how you can generate bulk invoices documents using a Notion page and a Notion database. You can replicate this process for any document for a use case and it will still work. If you have any questions or queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you out with any of the questions. But please check out PDF Output. This will be helpful for your automation purpose. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.